We all want our lips to be lighter and sweeter, and the best thing you can do for them is to give them the nutrition they require. The skin of your lips is delicate, and it can be easily damaged by your lifestyle, the sun, and harsh weather, or it might become black. It's time to pay attention to lip moisture if you have dry, peeling, cracked, and dark lips. What could be better than employing natural materials to help them produce hydrates and recover more quickly? Here are 5 home remedies to turn dark lips to smooth, moisturized, and beautiful lips. 1. Lemon juice with honey. Lemon juice combined with honey contains antimicrobial properties that protect the lips' skin. Raw honey, in particular, is high in flavonoids and polyphenols, which function as antioxidants. Honey is quite beneficial in the formation of new lip tissue. Honey possesses antibacterial, anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, antitoxic, healing, cleaning, and moisturizing properties, according to studies. Honey can be used to treat a variety of skin conditions. As a result, the combination of lemon juice and honey serves as a lip conditioner and moisturizer. 2. Beetroot. Beet juice and slices can be used to color black lips naturally. There is, however, no scientific evidence to support this. If you aren't sensitive to beets, though, you can use them to tint your lips red. Vitamin A in beets helps to keep the skin on the face healthy. As a result, it is commonly used to improve the appearance of the skin. Beetroot, on the other hand, includes vitamin B complex, which is essential for facial health. 3. Cucumber. Cucumbers are high in vitamin C, K, magnesium, potassium, and manganese, and because they contain 96% water, they soften and shine when applied to the lips. Cucumbers have a crimping quality that aids in the elimination of harmful chemicals. Its fresh juice also provides a lot of nourishment to the skin. As a result, its pack will aid in the cleaning of both the face and the lips, as well as the maintenance of good health. Cucumber, on the other hand, is excellent for reducing skin irritation and inflammation. Cucumbers can help to alleviate the effects of sunburn to a large amount. 4. Coconut oil and rose water. Coconut oil contains essential fatty acids that keep your lips nourished and healthy. Coconut oil softens and brightens the appearance of dry, dark lips. Not only that, but coconut oil shields your lips from the sun's damaging rays. This will soften and pinken your lips. Since ancient times, rose water has been connected with beauty. It is utilized in cosmetic products solely for the nutrients it contains. It has strong antibacterial effects and provides the lips a healthy sheen. Rose powder offers anti-aging benefits, according to one study. As a result, rose water is thought to aid in the maintenance of lip skin. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera includes aloin, a flavonoid that slows the pigmentation process. Aloe vera gel also aids in the healing and maintenance of the skin's nutrition. Antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant capabilities are all present in aloe vera. All of these characteristics are quite advantageous to our skin. Aloe vera gel also regenerates cells and aids in their growth.